Mastering process optimization. Process maps stuck in neutral sabotage operational excellence. How do organizations ensure that their process maps are regularly reviewed, updated, and maintained to reflect changes in operational procedures, ensuring that they remain accurate, effective, and aligned with their pursuit of operational excellence? Organizations can ensure that their process maps are regularly reviewed, updated, and maintained to reflect changes in operational procedures by implementing a structured approach to process management. This approach involves assigning ownership, establishing a regular review cycle, leveraging technology, and incorporating change management principles. Assigning ownership. Designate a process owner who is responsible for overseeing the process and ensuring that the process map remains up to date. The process owner should have a deep understanding of the process and be empowered to make changes as needed. This individual should also be responsible for communicating changes to stakeholders and ensuring that all relevant teams are aware of updates. Regular review cycle. Establish a regular review cycle to ensure that process maps are reviewed and updated at predetermined intervals. This can be quarterly, biannually, or annually, depending on the complexity and frequency of changes to the process. The review cycle should involve a thorough analysis of the process, including feedback from stakeholders, to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for optimization. Leveraging technology. Utilize digital process mapping tools and collaboration platforms to facilitate the review and update process. These tools enable real-time collaboration, version control, and automated workflows, making it easier to manage changes and updates. Digital process maps can also be linked to other systems and data sources, providing real-time insights and enabling data-driven decision-making. Incorporating change management principles. Incorporate change management principles into the process map review and update cycle. This includes communicating changes to stakeholders, providing training and support, and monitoring progress. By adopting a structured approach to change management, organizations can minimize disruption, ensure smooth transition, and maintain employee engagement. Continuous improvement culture. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Encourage employees to identify areas for improvement and suggest changes to the process map. Recognize and reward employees who contribute to process improvements, and provide resources and support for employee-led improvement initiatives. Process governance. Establish a process governance framework that outlines the rules, policies, and procedures for process management. This framework should define the roles and responsibilities of process owners, stakeholders, and employees, as well as the criteria for process changes and updates. Training and development. Provide regular training and development opportunities to ensure that employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to maintain and update process maps. This includes training on process mapping tools, change management principles, and continuous improvement methodologies. Audits and assessments. Conduct regular audits and assessments to ensure that process maps are accurate, effective, and aligned with organizational objectives. These audits should identify areas for improvement, highlight best practices, and provide recommendations for optimizing process performance. Lessons learned and knowledge management. Establish a lessons learned and knowledge management system to capture insights, best practices, and challenges encountered during the process map review and update cycle. This system enables organizations to learn from past experiences, apply knowledge to future improvements, and share best practices across the organization. By implementing these strategies, organizations can ensure that their process maps remain accurate, effective, and aligned with their pursuit of operational excellence. Regular reviews, updates, and maintenance of process maps enable organizations to adapt to changing operational procedures, optimize process performance, and drive continuous improvement.